Hey everybody, it's Dean here with a 22-inch Toro recycler model 20332, and I wanted some information I learned. Now this mower was not driving; it was slipping. So here's the original stock wheel, and you can see the gears are kind of worn out and it wasn't working well. And the pinion gear that goes with that is right here. This is a 12 tooth pinion gear, and it fits right inside there like that, as you can see. So the problem is these plastic gears don't last and they strip out easily. So the solution to that is go with a wheel that has a metal gear, and this is it right here. And the metal gear is much more durable. And if you go with that, you need to get a different pinion gear. And instead of a 12 tooth, you need a 15 tooth. So there's the 12 tooth right there. Here's the 15 tooth. You can see it's much different. Anyway, just release this little cotter pin here, not cotter pin, retaining ring. Just take that off, slide the gear out, put the new one. This one slid right off. Put the new one back on, and then put the new wheel on, and you're good to go. And that's how you fix a 22-inch recycler Toro mower with a gear drive. Now, if you are having problems with it still not working properly, could be your belt, in which case you can replace the belt right down here. And the other thing that you can adjust is you unscrew this nut. You can slide this metal cable. You can slide it 1 or 2 notches up or down depending what you need, and try that. It'll adjust the tension on the belt and make it go into gear and drive. And that's it. Happy mowing.